You've seen the new community event, 10 Megaboxes or 60 Star drops, and we, as the community, get to choose. This arises the question, which is better for progression and cosmetics? I did the math, so let's see what's better. First of all, for every Megabox you get 6 Star drops, so the ratio is 1 to 6. Let's start with the Megabox progression. There's about a 19% chance you'll get between 20 to 60 coins, 10 to 20 power points, 10 to 30 bling, or 30 to 50 token doublers. Keep in mind it's possible to get more of these resources, because you could also get 38% coins, for example, which would give you between 40 and 120 coins. In terms of progression, you probably wouldn't get much, seeing that you also can get gadgets, star powers, or hypercharges from these boxes. You can, however, get gems, which have about a 10% chance of appearing, and it will give you between 2 to 4 gems. This as well could be more if you get 20% worth of gems, for example. On top of this, you can get, let's call them jackpots, 1000 coins, 1000 power points, 1000 bling, 2000 token doublers, and 100 gems. They are very rare, and I'm not even going to take them into consideration, seeing that we'll only get to open up 10 boxes max. Time to talk about the brawlers, because you can get them from boxes. There's a 0.75 chance to get a brawler, which is not very likely you'll get one. The chances are kinda deceiving though. 0.75 isn't actually 0.75, so for every time you get coins, which is a 19% chance, there was about a 4% chance to get a brawler instead. Every time you get gems, which is a 10% chance, there was about an 8% chance to get a brawler instead. It's kinda difficult to explain, but I hope you understand. You'd probably get one brawler from 10 boxes, but that's already a little bit of a stretch. Mega boxes are very mediocre for progression. Star drops. Star drops have different rarities. Half of them will be rare, so you'll get 30 rares. Keep in mind, all these calculations are on average, so you might get more or less. About a quarter will be super rare, and that'll leave you with 13 drops, where 9 of them will be epic, 3 mythic, and 1 legendary. Rare drops have a 42% chance of giving 50 coins, a 33% chance of giving 25 power points, a 2% chance of giving 20 bling or 10 credits, and a 21% chance of giving XP doublers. This will leave you with 600 coins, 250 power points, a few XP doublers, and maybe 10 credits or bling. 17 super rare drops will most likely give you about 650 coins, 260 power points, a few XP doublers, and maybe a spray, 50 bling, or 30 credits. 9 epic drops will give you about 400 coins, 200 power points, and then there's a 10% chance per epic drop to either get a rare brawler or a rare skin, a 20% chance to get a brawler pin, a 15% chance to get a spray, and a 10% chance to get XP doublers. Then, the mythic drops. 1 in 10 will give you 500 coins, 1 in 6.7 will give you a random gadget, 1 in 5 will give you 200 power points, 1 in 10 will give you a super rare brawler, 1 in 20 an epic brawler, and 1 in 50 a legendary brawler. Then there's a 15% chance to get a rare skin, a 9% chance to get a rare epic brawler pin, and lastly a 13% chance to either get a random spray or a random profile picture. The legendary drop, which will either give you a hypercharge, which has a 16% chance of happening, or a star power, which has a 27% chance of happening. In terms of brawlers, there's about a 20% chance you'll get one, with 60% being an epic, 25% a mythic, and 15% a legendary brawler. At last, about 1/3 of all legendary drops will give you a skin, either a rare one, which has a 36% chance of appearing, or an epic skin, which only has a 2% chance. Mega boxes are really different in terms of cosmetics. 1 in 4 boxes will give you a pin or a profile picture, and 1 in 10 will give you a rare brawler or a super rare skin. 1 in 40 will give you an epic skin, and only 1 in 70 will give you a Sovereign Rico skin, so you probably won't get it. Besides, almost everyone already has at least one Rico skin. You'll get so much more progression from star drops, especially because you get 60 of them instead of only 10 boxes. But if you want cosmetics or a new brawler, then you should pick boxes. I think star drops are the better option here, so yeah, vote star drops. Anyways, quick video today. Huge shout out to my channel members and to everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to sub, and I'll see you in the next one.